Let us talk about the electric switch in details. As we know that when we switch on any appliance, it starts working, and as we switch off the appliance, it stops working. So, what is the relationship between the switch and the appliance? How it helps in working of the appliance and stopping of the appliance. We discussed that electric circuit is completed when we switch on any appliance. So we define electric switch as a simple device that is used to open or to close any electric circuit. So it is the definition of electric switch, that it is a simple device that is used to open or close an electric circuit. Switches, they come in various shapes and size. Sometimes a switch is also referred to as key in an electric circuit. So if you see anywhere that you switch on the key, switch off the key, that means switch off the switch. The switch is also known as key in any electric circuit. Now look at the diagram. I have underlined the key, means switch, that is the switch. When we switch off anything and when we switch on anything, then you can see the difference. The key is open or the key is closed. In diagram A, when the key is closed, you can see when the key is closed, the electric circuit is complete. It is closed circuit. There is no gap in between. There is no breakage in between of the electric current. So the key is closed, switch is closed, the electric circuit is complete and current is allowed to flow through the circuit, and the appliance, it will work, the bulb will glow. But when it comes to diagram B, look at the diagram. It is an open key, switch off is a position. When the key is open, the circuit is incomplete because there is breakage. Continuity of electric charge is not there. There is breakage. The electricity is not working here. It is not moving. So circuit is incomplete. It is open. An open circuit is called as incomplete, and closed circuit is also known as complete circuit. So here, when the key is open, the circuit is incomplete and no current flows, and the appliance, it doesn't work. So the bulb will not glow. It is the use of the electric switch in any circuit, that it is the device that is used to open or close the circuit. As the circuit is closed, the appliance will start working, and when we switch off, then circuit will be incomplete, it will be open circuit and the appliance will not work.